Good evening, stream. So, if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, on the Twitters, let me pull this up just so you guys can get a quick up to date on what's been going on in my life. Let me pause the funk. Hold on. Hold the funk. Play that funky music, white boy. This is my Twitter. And my Twitter is where I talk about things going on. Let's go back a little bit. So as you can see, I post some absolute bangers on here, like Pussy Fart and Koi Jesus. Let's go up. Linus Sebastian dying will be the third worst day of my life. As you can see, I have been watching Linus Tech Tips for the last like 2 weeks or something. And I've been watching them since I was young. Whatever. This is the important part. My archive is dying. I have my archive. It's sitting right here. I don't really want to show you guys this. Actually, it's totally fine. This is my archive. I am trying to recover all the shit on it. Now, if you guys don't know, I am a huge, mega data hoarder. And that includes all of my Twitch VODs. And all the videos that I make. And everything. Thanks for the hydrate. All I have is fucking Dr. Pepper. So I enjoy keeping things. My archive is dying. I have a new hard drive that I'm backing up everything to, if I can. Sadly, I think the easiest way to get all the videos off of my archive and onto the new drive is to upload everything to YouTube. That is not true. That won't happen because Google hates me. Because YouTube is shit and doesn't like that I want to upload about 400 gigabytes worth of videos. This is where I tried 3 days ago. This is not at all in reference to my archive, I promise. Yeah, Opera YouTube is having trouble reading all the videos from my hard drive. I think I'm just going to cut all my losses and begin Koi Jesus Season 3, which is what we're in right now. Koi Jesus Season 3. Oh, man. So, first things first, let's talk about this. Because I'm really excited about this. Koyathon website. I gave the Koyathon website a complete and total facelift. Now, if you go to www.koyathon.net or whatever, it might give you an unsecured thing. Just proceed. I promise I'm not doing anything weird. I think I just fucked up on the host name. It's totally safe, I promise. But, yeah, you can see this. The Koyathon website has been given a very nice facelift. I really like this font. Next, if I go all the way up here, I've given myself a thing. This is part of Koi Jesus Season 3. These are part of Koi Jesus Season 3. They protect me from my ring light and make it so I can't see shit. So there's that. You can hit my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Koyathon website, the new one, my YouTube, which I now have 4 YouTube channels. I have the Koi Jesus channel, I have the Koi Jesus VODs channel, I have the Koyathon channel, and I have a super secret Koi Jesus ASMR Sudoku channel that I'm not telling anyone about. And I have my GitHub, which has a game that I'm making a video about. It has a game called Libra Scale on it, or just text game, that you guys can go download and play. A video will be out about that soon enough. So let's go all the way back down. I think I might have found a way to retrieve everything from my drive. This is Ease Us. This is what I used the last time my hard drive died. I'm hoping it works. I wrote down this little note here about 20 minutes ago that this number of found files was 227560, and now it's at 227579. That was about 20 minutes ago, and it's found about 20 more files. This hard drive is very close to dying. So I'm really hoping that I can get everything off of it. I had a little bit of a crisis about Twitch and about YouTube after reading and listening to some other Twitch and YouTube creators. I think I'm going to stay on Twitch for the time being. All my VODs and all my videos are going to remain on YouTube. But I think for live streams, I'm more comfortable on Twitch right now. So until YouTube reaches out with a big ol' fucking $30 million brand deal, I'm gonna stick to Twitch. And that's all I've posted. But that's basically what's going on. So yeah, and the only way that I have found to relieve this stress inside me is to play Risk of Rain 2. Man, I really wish I was at home playing Risk of Rain 2 right now. So that's what we're going to do. I have Risk of Rain 2 here. Now, I just want it to be very transparent. I do have a cheat menu. However, what I do is I have ESP on, and I have always Sprint on. That is all. I do not give myself crazy damage. I don't do any item spawning. I simply just want to see where the chests are, and I just always want to be able to sprint. And if that's an issue, I totally understand, but it's the way that I play, and that it's Linus Tech Tips, not Fonk. There we go. Okay. Let me turn this up for you guys. There we go. So, let's do a Monsoon Artificer run. Oh, yeah, I also have, like, proper save on and a different layout. Here, let me... What's the best place for you guys to be? Probably if I'm in the middle of the screen, like around here, right? Yeah. And chats. We'll put chat down there. It's gonna stay up there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So. Like I said, it's just so much easier to have sprint on. Normally I also play with like command and sacrifice on, but I had a run a couple days ago as Huntress on Monsoon with just normal chests, and it was actually really fun. So I think that's just what I'm gonna roll with. There's some Lemurians up there. Oh, also don't worry, there is definitely a video coming on ROR2. I have a script written. I've had a script written for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, but I've been dealing with my archive being dead, and I had like 3 2-hour-long runs each recorded as B-roll footage for that video, and then my archive died, and so I can't really edit anything without the video footage, so that was annoying. I totally missed them. Oh, and you might notice the 1 billion lunar coins and be like, Kai, that seems a little bit fishy. No, those are all legit, actually. I've been playing for a long time at this point. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so what, I cheated in the stupid fucking Lunar Coins. I watched this video, a fellow, I'm gonna say it, a fellow Risk of Rain 2 content creator was talking about how cheating in Lunar Coins does not make the game easier by any means. It just lets you, like, do the one lunar build that makes any kind of sense if you're not just gonna play the Heretic, which why would you ever want to play the Heretic? And that's just getting the little shells and then the spinal tonic. And I mean, that makes sense. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna hit the nude altar, which is up there. Void Cradle. Yeah, we'll hit the Void Cradle. It's a little bit risky to hit a Void Cradle this early, especially on a Monsoon run. So I don't normally play Monsoon. I normally play Rainstorm, or whatever it is, the middle one. Because there's this really fun thing that video game developers are learning how to do. Oh, actually, that's super pog. Let's go. That's the only void item that I would want this early on for a Monsoon run. I am out of here. It's this really fun thing that video game developers know how to do, where they put a big ol' sign on a difficulty option and say, hey, this is the one. This is how our game is meant to be played. I think there's a video game donkey video about it, where he, kind of talks about the same thing. And I fucking hate this idea that if you aren't playing on the hardest difficulty, you're kind of a bitch, kind of a pussy wimp. Because fuck you, I don't always want to play on the hardest difficulty. Sure, it's fun sometimes. Now, like, is playing on Monsoon more, like, rewarding in terms of skill than Drizzle? Yeah, sure. But it's not the only way to have fun with this game. Let me tell you. Let me learn you something, okay? If you aren't always having fun whenever you're playing a video game, you're playing the game wrong. I mean, that's just how it goes. And you know why I like live streaming so much? I like live streaming so much because I can say shit and it gives me ideas for videos. And most of them are just ripoffs of donkey videos, but that's totally fine and super cool. But if you aren't enjoying every second that you're playing a video game, you're playing the wrong fucking game, my guy. You have to understand this. To boot up a video game and force yourself to play through it, even though you don't like it, you're either A, just doing it because you want to, like, you want to prove a point, like I did with Assassin's Creed 4, or you're just fucking stupid. Because there's no world in which a video game was built to not be fun. And now, fun is subjective, but that's exactly the point, I guess, is if you aren't having a subjective version of fun with a video game that you're playing, why are you playing it? Like, dude, Max and I will never agree on exactly on what makes a game fun. But what we can agree on is that if I'm not having fun, why bother? You know who else agrees? Fucking Reggie Fils-Aimé, the previous COO of Nintendo of America. If it's not fun, why bother? And that's kind of the thing. That's why you'll never see me play Dark Souls on here. You might catch me playing Bloodborne or Sekiro. Fuck, I hate the wax quail. But you'll never find me playing Dark Souls, specifically Dark Souls 1, 2, or 3, or Demon Souls. because those games are not fun to me. Sure, they're as frustrating and as hard as you make them out to be, like if you just don't grind or whatever. But that's the thing, grinding isn't fun, or at least not in those games. Like if you want to say that Diablo 3 is grinding, because it kind of is, even though it's still just an AP or an ARPG roguelike, that's one thing. But grinding in Dark Souls is not the same as grinding in Diablo, or even grinding in Pokemon is more fun than that. Because grinding in Pokemon, you just mash a button and like it's still boring, but at least you won't die and then lose an hour's worth of progress immediately. That's all I'm getting at, is I just don't find that shit fun. Ooh, there's a crowbar. Only way it would be worth it is if it took the penny roll from me. Let's see. Nah, it took my fucking orb thing. Whatever. It's not even really good for Artificer. I don't know why I did that. I guess it was alright enough. This is not funk. What the fuck is it? There we go. Anyway. I think this is like a TikTok song. It's cool. Jesus Christ. There's so many lesser wisps. Get out my fucking face, dude. Okay, cool. Did I say there's so many lesser wisps after I spawned them with a Shrine of Combat? I probably totally did. Ooh. Whatever. That void fungus shit is so OP. Just run around for a second and heal back up. Gotta wait for my fireballs to come back. He's gonna send a big one. Okay. Let me get back uppies. Oh yeah, you'll probably hear me call the Ion Surge uppies. It's just how I am. Yikes. Get me out of that. Yeah, man. I feel like the first couple levels are always the hardest. Because you kind of reach a point, especially on Monsoon, where that happens. Damn. Let's switch the title around to just Monsoon Runs. Because, I don't know, I'm not really feeling Artificer. I was feeling Artificer. It just kind of killed it for me. Let's do Huntress. Yeah, let's do Huntress. was having a good time with her the other day. So, oh good, this fucking map. God, I hate this map. All right, so Hopu feathers. Those are gonna be good. Okay, good. I still have that. I also just recently finished the Huntress's challenges. I think she and the Artificer are the only two that I've finished challenges for. Because honestly, they're the only two that I really play. And Bandit. I do like Bandit. I haven't really played him as much recently, but he's alright. He shreds bosses, dude. Especially on Command Sacrifice, where I can just pick up a million, oh, what is it? Oh, the armor-piercing rounds. You can just pick up a million of those. You just shred bosses, my guy. It's kind of crazy. There we go. See the nude altars over there. Shrine of Chance. There's a Lunar Pot. I might just go see if we can get a shell, because I don't want to pick up anything else. I would only pick up a shell from one of those, not even a tonic. Flashbang. Man, I had a really good stack of something on this run the other day. I think it was a void item that changed my percent chance of doing something to like percent to instantly kill a non-boss enemy. Oh yeah, the Lenseer glasses or whatever. You can corrupt those to be a percent to just percent to just kill non-boss enemies, and we were playing Sacrifice Command, and that shit just, you can just stack those and just win. So I guess as a little update to Koyathon, Koyathon's coming along nicely. I still have a decent amount planned. And I still have a decent amount to plan. But other than that, it's going fine. And shit, I'm about to die, dude. Gotta get out of there. Yeah, I still have a decent amount to plan. And I still need a couple more submissions for the talent show, and by a couple more I mean a lot more. Now Billy, Xander, and I should all be putting in our own, and I have to screen all of them, sadly, because you know I'm putting them on a live stream. I don't want to just take someone's word for it. I have to screen them, so I'm not going to be on the committee that actually grades them or whatever. But I screened one today from from my friend White Wampus, and it's pretty good and it's pretty funny, and it made me laugh pretty hard, and I'm really excited to show it off at 𝕤𝕐𝕔 for content. So yeah. I mean, 𝕤𝕐𝕔 is on the way. Really hoping it doesn't. Yeah, I'm really hoping nothing pushes it back. There is the possibility of that happening. I don't. Holy shit! An alien head right off the bat, first stage. God damn. I don't really see that happening, but I also don't want to say it won't happen, because there's always a possibility. You know, anything can happen. Damn it. Man, okay. Let's see what else we got. Something that doesn't matter to me at all. I was playing Mercenary, maybe. The focus crystal for the Mercenary is so busted, dude. It is just so over the top busted. It's not even funny. Void Cradle and a Lunar Pod. I'm definitely going for the Void Cradle. There's nothing bad that can happen there. Let's go check the Lunar Pod. See what comes out of it at least. Also, if you're a new player, pro tip, these things will just stop giving you items after your second item. So just grab your 2 items and go. Don't even bother like, oh, why can't I click it anymore? It's 2 items. Just click it until you get your 2 drops and then leave. Grabs Lunar Coin, has 1.2 billion Lunar Coins. It's like fucking Jeff Bezos stopping on the road because he sees a fucking penny. Ooh, a penny! And then he picks it up and gets hit by my bus. I mean, I'm sorry, Mr. Twitch Overlord. I only kinda hope that you die. Give me your money. Let's see. Not worth. Alright. Let's grab it and run away. Let's see what we got. I don't think that's worth anything. Stone Flux Pauldron? Fuck it. That was a horrible idea. It is kind of funny. Whatever. I'll get rid of it at a scrapper or something. Or hopefully I'll just get lucky and find some goat's legs. Oh, I'm really fucking slow, huh? At least it doesn't fuck with my movement or my attack speed. I'm really fucking slow. I hate this. That was such a mistake. There we go. Alright. Was not worth it. Now I know better. I've read the entire wiki on all the items in this game. I should have known better to begin with. but I forgot about that one. So it's all good. That's the whole point of the cheat menu, is to revive runs. Because I fucking hate lunar items, dude. I should just know not to pick one up. Let's see. There's 2 chests up there. Let's go grab those real quick. Let's see. Ooh, that's good. Let's see. I definitely want to get some more blink charges. There's a chest there. Fuck you, you stupid guy. And fuck you too, you stupid guy. Oh, personal shield. Let's go. Shields are always good. Void Cradle. Yep, let's go cop that Void Cradle and then hit the teleporter. Let me tell you something. As soon as I started playing this game, I fell in love with it. Ooh, an encrusted key. I'm always down. I'm always down for an encrusted key. Beetle Queen, easy enough. Bam bam. And back up. Drop that. Link away. Damn, damn. Okay. Oh, whoa. There's so many, dude. It's probably that Shrine of the Mountain that I hit. And I died. Damn. Monsoon Runs are not on my level today. Try playing on Drizzle for an easier time. Fuck you, game. I haven't done a typing test in a few days. Or in a couple weeks, actually. You guys ready for this shit? Let's see. Okay, let's do... Yeah, let's do 15 seconds. Let's see. I can do better. No, I can't. Damn it. I hit T. I know I did. Okay, hold on, hold on. No real, no set. This think off one part where, again, state interest. What the? Lead house which we also and possible can man plan give day fuck the fuck. Oh my god. Few use some might with begin into but small into without another right one. Dude, I think there's something wrong with my keyboard. Actually, I keep hitting keys and it not registering. Present early give. Again, person interest very. Nope, nope, it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. I tried. My bad. Alright, let's try to do one more Huntress run. And, we'll either loop and stop, or I'll die. I really don't want this fucking map. I really just want Titanic Plains, please. Dude, what is it up? What is up with it giving me fucking Siphon Forest? Give me Titanic Plains. It's Distant Roost. I mean, it gave me the Siphon Forest like 3 or 4 times in a row. Okay, there we go. Jesus Christ. I'm going straight for the Nude Altar and Void Cradle. Blah, damn. I would really like to get off stage 1 during this stream, like at any point. That'd be pretty cool. Let's see. Let's go ahead and hit this. Let's grab this. What is that? Is that a 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤? 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. Alright. I don't know why I picked it up. I don't know why I fucking picked it up. Oh yeah, I do. Legendary run. You know what? Fine, fine. 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. Let's go for it. I love this fucking game, dude. It's like, oh, I just picked up an item? Alright, well, the entire run is going to be different now. If I had not picked up this one item, my entire run would be completely 180'd. I'm gonna itch my fucking face, dude. Oh my god, okay. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so I'm basically just gonna go until we loop, because I have proper save and this run will be saved, and then we can keep playing it tomorrow a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go until we loop or until I die. And I mean, if I die now, that'll be a really fucking short stream, and I'm really sorry about that. But your boy's a computer science major. I got shit to do. Sadly. Yes, heal me, you fucking robot. Holy shit. Okay, so the teleporter's over there. I already have the new altar. There's another void cradle over there. There's a chest, 2 chests, and a lunar pod, and a large chest. I'm not gonna go for the lunar pod. I already learned my fucking lesson. Grab this. Yeah, sure. Okay, so that's the collapse. Got it. Alright, cool. Let's grab this. Delicate watch. It's not gonna stay that way for long. Yes. Let's see. This song goes hard. Now I know there's gotta be someone out there who's like, Koi Jesus, why aren't you listening to the absolutely bangin' Risk of Rain 2 soundtrack? And the answer is, I don't know. I mean, it's really good. I just really like the way that funk music sounds while I'm playing this game. That's all. I do want it to be known that I really do like the soundtrack for this game, though. It's really good. Alright, let's go for this large chest. That's my goal every day, is to go for the large chest. Isn't that right, Tristan? Yeah, she knows what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's go hit this and hope we don't die this time. I don't think there's anything I'm missing. Lunar Pod, 3D printer, barrels. Nope. Alright. Don't be a stone titan. Alright, tight. Oh shit. God damn. Dude, these beetle guards are like absolutely insane. I should do a full playthrough of Plants vs. Zombies next. You know, I had so many plans for this year, and I've just been so fucking busy and depressed the last like 2.5 months, 3 months. It's crazy. I mean, that's why Showdown was on a little bit of a hiatus. It's just, I've been busy as shit. Tyler's been busy as shit. Fuck you, game. Gore's Tome, and let's get the fuck out of here. There we go. Oh man. Alright, light afterburner. Okay. Go, which means I now have 3 blinks. Let's go for wealth. Let's get aura light. Let's grab a tonic. Really 4 tonics? What a shit roll, dude. And then we're just looking for these. And I just need 4 of them. Come on, game. Come on, game. Don't do this to me, man. I only have 1 billion lunar coins. Beads of fealty. That's a spinal tonic. I didn't even get the right fucking thing. It's tincture. Damn it, this entire thing is useless now. I literally can't do anything. Okay, I mean, I might as well go for the things. I grabbed the wrong thing. To be fair, they look very similar. Because you need 4 of the little spiny, or the little shell looking things to make it so that they're... Oh, I literally can't afford it. Damn. Alright. That's cool, man. I will simply cheat more lunar coins in. Alright, that's fine. I have 2 shells. The shells shouldn't upgrade. Everything else will. I'm about to get 3 more legendaries. Or not, actually. Maybe. Chances are I'm going to get 1 more legendary. Oh, okay. Bottled chaos. Oh no, I did get 3 more legendaries. I have the Death Plant and Bottled Chaos. And the Meat Hook. Nice. Hooray. Dude, this early in. Jesus Christ. I'm so fucked. Like, realistically, I'm just so absolutely fucked. How much do these cost? 73? Okay, well. Alright, cool. It doesn't matter. I'm going to die on this guy anyway. Because I picked up that fucking 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤, dude. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤, not 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤? 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤? 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤. Is 𝕤𝕤𝕤? Is he really on God? On God? Well, let's see if my shitty attack speed can kill this guy. My attack speed that will likely never be able to go up because all of my items will consistently upgrade until I die. Yeah, I'm so fucking going to die here, dude. I'm kind of focusing here. Ugh. All these Lemurians dying gives me a spot to stand at least. Yep, there it is. All right. Damn. I really think it was a benthic bloom. So, all right. Well, guys, that's about all the time I have for tonight. So, see y'all later. Thanks for coming back for a really short stream. I'll see y'all later. Bye.